Hello everybody, this is Mohannad Mhimeed, Shelter and Wash Coordinator, Qatar Red Crescent. Now we have to add our domestic water. As I mentioned, we will add it as fixed flow. If we open manhole and go to the last column, flow nouns, you can set it 0. So now we will make this domestic water, domestic load as fixed flow. If you remember in the sanitary load center, we did it before. So this manhole, and we added here, this is the loading unit count, which is the how many person captured in each manhole. So now we can select all the table and copy with headers and go to the Excel and we'll open new documents. I now will paste it. This is not important for me. Delete. What important is unit count and label of manhole. So this manhole received 6 person kj max, which is kj max. If you remember, the formula was equal 1 plus 2.5 divide population for 0.22. Now close. Yes, this is kj max, and this will be for all except the mosque and the health center and the schools. If you remember, for the mosque, we suppose it will open for 8 hours every day, so the kg max will be 24 hours divide the S, so it is 3. For the schools, it will be also 8 hours, so it's 3. 3 for the health center will be 12 hours, so it will be 2. Now we have kj max, so we have to calculate the equivalent population. We'll use EQ population. P population is equal to 6 multiplied in kg max. And now this is for all. And now we can calculate Q domestic, which will be the equivalent population multiplied in the domestic water. As we assume in our example, every beneficiary receive 50 liters per day as drinking water. We will take 80% from this drinking water as domestic water, so it will be 40 liters per day. And now we will convert to liter per second, so we divide 24 hours, divide to 3,600. Now this is the flow in liter per second. And now I will open a new Excel sheet and will copy. This is important, the label and the manhole names. And also I will copy the Q domestic. Now I will close this loading center and open from fixable table the manhole just to match the header name. So I will take this copy is exactly how it right. So if I return to the Excel, now I will delete QD and move header. This is delete, and now I can save the documents as QD, for example, QD in the same folder. Yes, save. I can close it now. I will return to the software, and as you said, the flow nouns value is all 0. So now I will close it. In the multi builder, I will import the Excel sheet. So I will take Excel, browse, QD, yes, and now I will check just the sheet 2. Next, meter, next. Here not conduit, it will be manhole, so I will select manhole. Police manhole, yes, and take label, and here is important, this will be label also, and this is very important, flow noun, to make it flow noun also. So this is flow noun, and now liter per second, yes, next, finish, yes, and he updated 226 manholes. Close, yes. If we open again the manhole flexible table and go to the last column, you can see he added the domestic water as fixed flow. And when we say the 0 point value, this is this manhole didn't capture any domestic water or load. So now we can make compute